Have you ever wondered if it's possible to naturally clean your intestines in just minutes? The answer is yes. And today, you're going to learn how to make a powerful cleansing drink using just 4 simple ingredients: water, lemon, salt, and psyllium husks. This mixture can gently clear out your digestive system in just 10 to 15 minutes. But before we dive into the recipe, let's understand why this works and explore other natural remedies that can improve your gut health long term. Did you know that digestive issues like constipation and bloating have increased by over 300% in the last few decades? If you're constantly uncomfortable, you're definitely not alone. In this video, we'll cover the most effective natural ways to support regular bowel movements and reduce digestive problems. And yes, we'll also get to that drink that many say works in under 15 minutes. Why this problem is growing. Modern lifestyles have created a storm of digestive problems, from gas and acid reflux to chronic constipation and discomfort. And the numbers are rising, especially for seniors. In fact, around 1 in 3 adults over 60 regularly struggle with constipation. So what do most people do? They turn to over-the-counter laxatives. But here's the problem. Laxatives may give quick relief, but they don't fix the root problem. Worse, your body can become dependent on them. Over time, your digestive system weakens because it stops working on its own. This creates a vicious cycle. Stronger laxatives, weaker digestion. Your body was built to heal itself. The human body is designed to detox naturally, but only when it gets the right support. That's why natural laxatives and whole food solutions have been used for thousands of years. They offer gentle, effective results without harmful side effects. So let's break down what's really going on when constipation strikes and what you can do naturally to fix it. What causes constipation? You're considered constipated if you have fewer than 3 bowel movements per week, especially if stools are dry or hard. Ideally, you should be having at least 1 movement per day. Letting waste sit for days slows your metabolism and affects your energy. The main causes include not drinking enough water, low fiber intake, skipping bathroom urges, lack of movement especially for older adults, inflammatory bowel conditions, sudden lifestyle changes like travel or new routine, pregnancy or hormonal shifts, health conditions like stroke, diabetes, or thyroid disorders, medications like painkillers, diuretics, antidepressants, and blood pressure drugs. The symptoms go beyond the bathroom. Constipation isn't just about struggling in the restroom. It can cause bloating, pain, nausea, heartburn, fatigue, dizziness, and even anemia due to poor absorption. That's why natural support is so important. It affects your entire quality of life. Solution number 1. Gradual fiber intake. Fiber is critical, but most people increase it too fast. You need 25 to 40 grams of fiber daily, but jump too quickly and you'll feel bloated. Instead, increase by about 5 grams per week. Great high-fiber foods include avocados, 14 grams per cup, pears, 10 grams each, apples with skin, oats, bananas, carrots, lentils, chickpeas, beets, raspberries, leafy greens, and cruciferous veggies. Tip: combine soluble fiber, softens stool, and insoluble fiber, adds bulk, throughout your day for best results. Solution number 2. Water timing matters. Staying hydrated is key, but how and when you drink water matters too. Drink at least 2 liters daily, but aim for room temperature or warm water. Cold water can slow digestion. Drink 1 large glass of warm water first thing in the morning. Continue sipping room temperature water through the day. Avoid drinking large amounts during or right after meals. Wait 30 minutes before meals and 1 hour after eating for large drinks. This supports natural enzyme activity and smooth digestion. Solution number 3. Probiotic power. Probiotics, your gut's good bacteria, are powerful allies. They help balance your gut flora and improve bowel movement consistency. Best probiotic foods: kefir, rich in 60+ strains, kombucha, sauerkraut, kimchi, apple cider vinegar with the mother, miso, natto. When to take them: on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning or at bedtime, when stomach acid is lowest for better absorption. If you're lactose intolerant, try fermented veggies or non-dairy kefir instead. Solution number 4. Aloe vera. Aloe isn't just for skin, it's a natural internal cleanser too. It contains vitamins, enzymes, and plant compounds that add water to the intestines. Soothe inflammation. Help break down food and move it along gently. Take 100 to 200 milligrams daily, ideally in the morning. Choose organic, pure aloe juice made for internal use with no added sugar or colors. Let's continue with more powerful natural solutions that support regular digestion and cleanse your system without harsh medications. Solution number 5. Chia seeds, gentle bulk, and moisture. Chia seeds are a fiber superstar. Just 1 tablespoon delivers around 10 grams of fiber, helping create soft, gel-like stools that move easily through your intestines. They can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, hydrating your gut and making elimination much easier. How to use them: soak 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a glass of water for at least 15 minutes. Add to yogurt, smoothies, or drink them with a squeeze of lemon. Start slowly, try 1 teaspoon a day, and build up to 1 to 3 tablespoons daily as your body adjusts. Solution number 6. Flax seeds, omega-3s plus gentle fiber. Flax seeds work similarly to chia, but also offer healthy fats that soothe inflammation. They contain about 3 grams of fiber per tablespoon and support a smooth, regular bowel rhythm. Important tip: grind flax seeds before consuming. Whole seeds often pass through undigested. Store ground seeds in the fridge and use within a week for best nutrition. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for both texture and digestive support. Solution number 7. Leafy greens, nature's intestinal tonic. Leafy vegetables provide fiber plus key minerals like magnesium, which helps relax the intestinal wall for smoother bowel movements. Some of the best options include spinach, kale, cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, chard, parsley, arugula, mustard greens, beet tops, and bok choy. Daily goal: try to include at least 1 serving of greens with every meal. Lightly steaming can help with digestion, or massage raw greens with olive oil and a pinch of salt to soften tough fibers. Bonus helpers: herbal and natural laxatives. These traditional remedies have supported gut health for centuries. Psyllium husks, slippery elm tea, prune juice, coconut water, senna, castor oil, cascara sagrada, lemon water, warm on an empty stomach. Used occasionally and responsibly, they can gently stimulate your intestines without harsh effects. Now for the cleansing drink recipe. This powerful blend can gently clean your bowels in under 15 minutes and support better gut function, especially for occasional constipation and gas. You'll need 1 liter of warm filtered water, 2 teaspoons of sea salt or Himalayan salt, 1 large tablespoon of psyllium husks, juice from half a fresh lemon, a glass bottle or jar with a lid. How to prepare: warm the water to about bath temperature. Don't boil it. Pour into your jar and add the lemon juice plus salt. Stir until fully dissolved. Add the psyllium husks and stir quickly, about 30 seconds to prevent clumping. Put the lid on and shake for another 30 seconds. Drink immediately. Try to finish it within 10 minutes before the psyllium thickens. After drinking, help it work with gentle movement. Lie on your left side for about 1 minute while gently massaging your belly in circles. Then switch to your right side for another minute. This helps the liquid move through your intestines more evenly. Stay near a bathroom. Some people feel results in 5 minutes, others in 30. Afterward, drink water slowly throughout the day and avoid heavy meals for a few hours. This lets your body finish the cleansing cycle without stress. If you're on medications, have high blood pressure, kidney issues, or a chronic illness, consult your doctor before trying any cleanse. This remedy is best used no more than once a week. It's safe for most healthy adults, but seniors with medical conditions should always double-check. Digestive problems aren't just uncomfortable. They're a signal your body needs better support. Whether it's poor fiber intake, dehydration, lack of movement, or medication side effects, these natural tools can help restore balance. Your digestive system is built to heal, but only if you feed it right. That means fiber every day, plenty of water, probiotics to restore balance, greens, seeds, and gentle cleanses when needed. We'd love to hear from you. What remedies have helped you? What will you try first? If this helped you today, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with a loved one who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Front for more safe, natural health tips for adults over 60. See you in the next one.